The story of the first revelation of the Quran. How the Quran was first revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in the cave of Hira. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, used to retreat to the cave of Hira, located on a mountain near Mecca, to meditate and seek solace. He used to spend time in the cave for meditation and reflection. One day, during the holy month of Ramadan, when the Quran was first revealed, Prophet Muhammad was in the cave of Hira as usual. While he was deep in meditation, the angel Jibril appeared before him and commanded him to recite. But Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, who was illiterate and had never recited poetry before, was taken aback and replied that he could not recite. The angel then embraced him tightly and commanded him to recite again, saying, "Recite in the name of your Lord who created man from a clot. Recite, and your Lord is the most generous, who taught by the pen, taught man that which he knew not.